Let's take a look at, can you drift? Oh, no, that was bad already. Can you drift in your car with one of these cool little machines? Now we're doing the, whatchamacallit here? The, oh, no. All right, so you can't do that. Maybe we can stop it from going down there because it's so annoying to get it from there. Can you drift with one of these cool cars inside your car? And the answer is a resounding yes. If you have mad skills. I don't have mad skills. But if you have mad skills, you can drift inside your Toyota in front of your, on top of your hood. Not on top of the hood. What am I talking about? What am I smoking? It's time for my meds, as they always tell me. Get your meds! It's time for your meds. Whoa, that was pretty cool right there. So yeah, I can drift, sort of, kind of. Not very well. But inside your Toyota car, you have enough space to get a decent drift if you want to. What about round cones? Maybe that's asking for too much. Do we have cones? Somebody come out. And you were not expecting the cone Inquisition. Everybody expected the Trumpian Inquisition except for Trump. But he didn't realize that some of us were saying, did you expect the Trumpian? Whoa, no! Everybody died. Everybody. Did you expect the Trumpian Inquisition? No. I did. I told you about the Trumpian. You just wouldn't listen. You can drift inside your... Oh my God. I can't believe it. It's if you tell people, they will not believe that you can drift inside your RAV4. Maybe they should make the new RAV4 with a little bit more space here for drifting. It's not for sure that they'll do it. Maybe the next version of the car will come with drift friendly stuff. Anyway, look at that. You can still drift. Dang it! If only that were a little flatter. Not like Earth. Not like Earth. The Earth is not flat, but if that were a little flatter, it would make drifting around in the car ever so smoother. Oh, no. Hand of God again. Just giving him good old Maradona. Good old Maradona. Do you guys check out the latest and greatest on the Booga sphere? We need Roberto Carlos and Zinedine Zidane to come help us check how well you can kick that ball into space. But I don't know. Drifting. Whoa, that was pretty good. Hey, I'm proud of myself for that one. It's gonna take some practice. No, not again. Oh, off to a bad start. And he's off to the races. Woo! Kenny. Oh no! Everybody died again. Endless hands of God in this video as he drifts inside the vehicle. Now, it's going to take some practice, so I can't say that everybody can do it. Just like Ocean Ramsey. I can't tell you that you can Tai Chi a shark. That's for the professionals. But you can try. You can definitely try. And it is very entertaining. So if you got nothing to do on that day, or you're stuck in the car for many hours because you're just Ubering, or you are a chauffeur, right? You're a chauffeur. You got a few hours to kill in the car and nobody's watching. Then you can drift with a turbo racing vehicle inside your car the way that I'm doing today. So anyway, thanks for watching another crazy episode of the Junk Dumper Reviews, also known as Dorkosaurus Rex, Douche Nozzle,